Today, I will present about lean manufacturing tools. Lean manufacturing is a system used in industries to improve efficiency, reduce waste, and increase productivity. It helps companies produce better quality products with less time, cost, and effort. Now I will talk about the main lean manufacturing tools. The lean manufacturing tools are 5S, Kaizen, PDCA cycle, value stream mapping or VSM, Gemba walk, standardized work, visual management, Kanban, just-in-time or JIT, Jidoka, Poka yoke, Heijunka, takt time, single-minute exchange of die or SMED, total productive maintenance or TPM, overall equipment effectiveness or OEE, Andon, root cause analysis or RCA, 5Y analysis, fishbone diagram also called Ishikawa, Pareto analysis, a 3 problem solving, Hoshin Kanri, cellular manufacturing, continuous flow, line balancing, waste elimination which includes 8 wastes, bottleneck analysis, KPI management, Yokoten, which means best practice sharing, 6 Sigma integration, and 3M. Now I will explain one important tool in detail, which is the 5S system. The 5S system is a workplace organization and lean manufacturing methodology designed to eliminate waste, optimize productivity, and create a safe and visually organized environment. The 5 S's are Seiri, sort Saiton, set in order; Seiso, shine Seiketsu, standardize Shitsuke; sustain. The main goal of 5S is everything in its place and a place for everything. Now I will explain why 5S is important. 5S improves productivity. It reduces searching time. It improves workplace safety. It improves quality control. It reduces waste. It improves employee morale. Now I will explain each step of 5S. First is sort or Seiri. Sort means separating necessary items from unnecessary items and removing unwanted materials. Activities include removing broken tools, disposing of unused materials, and eliminating obsolete documents. In a garments factory example, old sewing machine parts and unused trims are removed from the sewing floor. The result is more workspace and fewer distractions. Second is set in order or Seton. Set in order means organizing the remaining essential items so they are easy to find, use, and return. Each item should have a fixed and labeled place. Activities include labeling storage locations, creating shadow boards, and marking workstation areas. In a garments factory, scissors, measuring tapes, and thread cones are placed in specific locations. The result is operators spend less time searching for tools. Third is shine or seiso. Shine means cleaning the workplace, machines, and tools regularly. Cleaning also helps in early detection of problems. Activities include daily cleaning, machine inspection, and waste removal. In garments factories, operators clean sewing machines at the end of each shift. The result is fewer machine breakdowns and fewer defects. Fourth is standardize or seiketsu. Standardize means creating rules, schedules, and visual controls to maintain the first 3 steps. Activities include cleaning schedules, standard work instructions, and visual controls. In garments factories, a daily 5S checklist is posted at each sewing line. The result is consistent workplace organization. Fifth is sustain or shitsuke. Sustain means making 5S a habit and part of company culture. It requires discipline and continuous improvement. Activities include regular audits, employee training, and recognition programs. In garments factories, monthly 5S competitions are arranged among sewing lines. The result is long-term discipline and continuous improvement. Now I will explain why 5S is becoming popular. First, visible results increase new ideas. Second, workplaces become clean and well organized. Third, operations become easier and safer. Fourth, results are visible to everyone, including inside and outside the company. Fifth, people become more disciplined. Sixth, employees feel proud of their workplace. Seventh, it improves company image and brings better opportunities. In conclusion, lean manufacturing tools help industries improve productivity, reduce waste, and achieve continuous improvement. Among all tools, 5S is one of the most important because it builds the foundation of discipline, organization, and efficiency. Thank you everyone for listening.